Good morning, everyone. I'm Tony Sayers from Troy, Alabama, and I'm here to encourage you to purchase a smartwatch or any kind of health device to help you better your health, fitness, and just overall body. So these smartwatches have just recently been a huge thing to where people really want to wear them on the daily, all day, to help track their heart rate, the amount of miles they've walked, their food intake, and their workouts throughout the day. So these have changed over time. In the 21st century, there was a revolution of how things are done, from health to working out. And in the early millennium years, there were many more negative attitudes towards the use of technology in health management than there is today. This is especially for patients with heart problems who were using pacemakers. This was in relation to the security of the system, as it was self-controlled and its vulnerability to hacking, which would cause the ultimate death of millions of users. Several decades later, the aspect of health has been digitized in several ways. Let us discuss how technology has revolutionized health in the technological era. Reader and Alexandria state that the revolution of smartwatches aid in the management of health. With the help of digital watches, users are able to keep a measure of the distance traveled during a workout. This is because of devices such as the Apple Watch that track the amount of miles you have traveled in your workout and all day, or the amount of calories burned in a workout, your move calories throughout the day, and how many steps you've taken. This allows the user to set a goal and really continuously try to push for it. There's a better analysis and control of heart-related issues using better and safe apparatus, such as the wrist and smartband watches. In this case, people suffering from heart diseases can now rely on safe wristband and smartwatches to measure their pulse and other health aspects. I've witnessed this firsthand, whereas my dad's friend's daughter had to use an Apple Watch to help keep her heart rate so that she would not pass out. With the use of this Apple Watch, she was able to closely track it and prevent herself from passing out. This is some kind of disease that she had called Pott's disease, and the Apple Watch really truly saved her life. Unlike the artificial set maker, the wrist technology is safe and impossible to manipulate, as it does not take any corrective action by itself. With the use of technology such as Feed, people can be able to measure their intake of calories. So food intake is also helpful when it comes to technology, whereas these devices and apps such as MyFitnessPal on the iPhone can help track your food intake to meet your medical needs, whereas it's gain weight, lose weight, or maintain your weight. Currently in the American society, there is an increased focus on feeding the right way. This requires a possible meal plan and a continuous platform to check the number of calories in every meal or every snack. The use of online apps, therefore, facilitates the use of a balanced diet meal plan, as it recommends possible alternatives based on the energy requirements and the current weight of the individual. I also would like to explain how much the technology for testing diseases has also improved. There are such things as take-home kits that help you test for HIV or AIDS. Infectious diseases such as these are sexually transmitted and can be self-tested at the comfort of the user's home. Due to confidentiality issues, most of the sexually transmitted diseases can now be tested in the privacy of the home kits that I just mentioned. These kits have reduced the rate of transmission, as people can now protect themselves better by tasting the status of their sex partner immediately. There are so many technological devices that have been produced for health and fitness, and it has really helped us to improve our hospitals or even our at-home care. I encourage you to get a smartwatch or some type of device to track your health on the daily, whether it's tracking your workouts, the steps that you take each day from morning to night, your food intake, or any other aspect of your life. I encourage you to please take this initiative and truly consider to get the medical device that you need to better your body overall.